Hey friends, if you wish to fix blurry webcam on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check your camera lens, wipe it a little and use some lotion to make it better. The next one is to run troubleshooters. Now which ones? I'll show you. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, other troubleshooters. Now scroll down and click on run corresponding to the camera troubleshooter and also corresponding to the video playback troubleshooter. The next one is to check for updates. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on check for updates. The next one is to reinstall your webcam driver and even update your webcam driver and the graphics card driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. First of all, expand the list for camera drivers. Right click on your webcam driver and select uninstall device and and uninstall the other one too. Okay. Then click on action and scan for hardware changes. Now this is for the webcam one. But for the display adapters, you merely need to update the drivers. Don't reinstall them because these drivers are usually good. So the best we can do is update them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.